Hello everyone, myself Himanshu Sharma from RPIT campus. Today I discuss about the antimicrobial agent. Antimicrobial agent is a broad terminology describing the activity against the microbes. Antimicrobials are the chemical agents used to destroy or inhibit the growth of pathogenic microorganisms. They are normally ineffective in the sporing state of the microorganism. Disinfectants are the substances that are applied to non-living objects to destroy microorganisms that are living on the objects. Examples are the chlorinated lime, potassium permanganate, formaldehyde, phenol, etc. Next is the antiseptic. What are the antiseptics? They are the antimicrobial substances that are applied to living tissues, skin, to reduce the possibility of infection. And the sepsis examples are the hydrogen peroxide, potassium permanganate iodine, the povidone iodine, etc. are the antiseptics used in. Next is the sterilization, the complete destruction living microorganisms, including the bacterial spores. It can be achieved by the physical method or by the chemical means. Next definition is the germicide, the agent which are employed to kill the mechanism of action. It can be broad form of the germicidal and the viricide, fungicide, etc. Statics means the stop the growth of the microorganisms. Bacteriostatics, the agent which primarily function by inhibiting the growth of bacteria. Thus, the bacteriostatic drugs or the agent do not kill but arrest the growth of bacteria. Next is the properties. It should have the antiseptic or the germicide activity and not the bacteriostatic activity because of the microorganisms are not killed. They may grow and cause the infection. To reduce the incidence of the resistance, it should have the rapid onset of action and sustained activity, have the good therapeutic index, and should not produce the local cellular damage or should not interfere with the body defense, and it should show no systemic toxicity from the topical applications, and it should have in general broad spectrum of activity against the bacteria, fungi, and the protozoa, viruses, etc. In today's class, I discuss about the properties and the terms of the microorganism, what are the antimicrobial agents. Thank you for watching.